With 8 hash brown patties and 1 fresh tomato infused with robust flavors, you'll enjoy 2 of these bruschetta-style hash browns for under 300 calories. Just a few ingredients and 30 minutes are required to create hash brown bruschetta. Prepared hash brown patties found in your grocer's freezer saves time and effort. A medium-sized, fine-ripened fresh tomato, 2 garlic clove sections, fresh cilantro leaves, rice vinegar, olive oil, and salt. A few kitchen utensils and a shallow-rimmed baking tray. First, I'll preheat my oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees centigrade. While the oven preheats, I'll grab my baking tray and line up the frozen hash brown patties in 2 rows evenly spaced. This 10-inch by 15-inch or 39cm by 26cm rimmed baking tray is the perfect size for 8 hash brown patties. As soon as the oven has preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees centigrade, these hash brown patties will go into the oven. It's been 10 minutes and the oven has reached the correct temperature to bake the frozen hash brown patties. Time to transfer this baking tray to the oven. I'm setting the timer for 15 minutes. While the patties bake, I'll prepare the bruschetta topping. After removing the stem, I'll slice and then dice the tomato. You'll notice I'm cutting the tomato with a serrated bread knife. Without sharpened knives on hand, a bread knife is useful. A dull knife will squash the tomato. This serrated knife cuts cleanly through this fresh tomato, and the tomato's juiciness remains inside each small dice. One medium-sized 3-inch diameter tomato yields approximately 1 cup of diced tomato, exactly how much I'll need to top 8 hash brown patties. The diced tomato and all of its juice are collected in my small metal mixing bowl. It's been 15 minutes. Time to check the baking hash brown patties. The bottom edges are browning up nicely. I'm removing the tray from the oven temporarily, grabbing my spatula and flipping the hash brown patties to the opposite side so they'll brown and crisp up on the other side too. Another 10 minutes of baking time is required. While the patties finish baking, I'll continue with the topping preparation. I'm smashing the garlic to remove the skin and mincing as finely as possible. The finer the mince, the greater the surface area of cut garlic, releasing the garlic flavors to join the diced tomato. Another flavor note is added with the fresh cilantro. 8 to 10 stems should provide enough leaves. Running the edge of a knife over the bundled stems removes many of the leaves. I'll need a few more stems. Only the leaves are needed. I'm discarding the tougher stem portion. Any leaves clinging to their stems can be removed by hand and bunched together on the cutting surface. After carefully removing any remaining stems, I'm chopping the cilantro leaves into smaller pieces and sliding the cilantro into the mixing bowl to join the garlic and tomato. I'll set the cutting board aside and grab the remaining ingredients. 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1/8 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of rice vinegar. Stir. Just look at this blend, juicy and fresh. The aroma is incredible. It's been 10 minutes and the hash brown patties should be baked and crispy. While the patties cool off slightly, I'll clean up and get ready to assemble the hash brown bruschetta. One heaping kitchen tablespoon per patty generally divides the mixture evenly amongst all 8 patties. A serving of 2 hash brown bruschetta is only 298 calories. And this one's for you. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the notifications bell to get all the latest under 300 calories recipes.